Hey everyone, it's Chris at Service Autopilot. I want to show you a newer feature in Service Autopilot called Forms. Now, this is just in its early stages, and so there will be a lot of things you can do with Forms moving forward in the system. But right now, it's a great tool to help create your own custom lead capturing forms, employee job application forms, customer review forms, a number of different things. So today I want to take a really basic example and show you how to create an estimate request form using this new module within Service Autopilot. And then we'll dive into just a real basic WordPress site and show you how you can implement it on one of the pages in your WordPress site. So I'll hover over my CRM menu and click on Forms Beta. From here, I'll click Add Form. And I recommend starting where it says pre-built forms. This will give you a good idea of all of the different types of things you can do with these. So I'll click pre-built form and we'll select our template. And I'm going to select Get Estimate Fast and click Load. Perfect. So you can see that the form itself is already built for me. There's nothing that I have to do. Now, if you wanted to come and edit some of these fields, you can do so with the settings here on the left. I'm not going to go into great detail about what each thing does. We'll do more videos on forms in the future. And there's also a user guide at the top of this page for you to look at as well, just to get an idea of what each type of field does. But we'll just leave this as is, and I'll click Save and Close. Perfect. So here's my new form. What I want to do from here in order to get this on my WordPress site is click Publish, which will give me a number of different options in terms of how to implement this, right? So I'm going to select the Use Hosted Form option, and we'll select everything within this box and click Copy. So now that is copied to my clipboard. So now I'm just going to dive into a WordPress site really quick and show you how you can implement this. All right, so now I'm logged in as an administrator in my WordPress site, and you can use this on a post or a page, either one. So I'm going to scroll where it says Posts, and I'll add a new post. Now make sure, once we title our post, we'll call this Get an Estimate Fast. Once we've titled our post, make sure that you're in the text editor and not the visual editor. Now we can simply paste our code into the text editor and we'll click Save Draft. Now that we've saved our draft, let's take a quick look at it and make sure that it looks okay. We'll click Preview. And there's my form. So now we say that, okay, we like the way it looks. We want to go ahead and publish our page. We can simply go back to our post and click Publish. Perfect. And now you've got an estimate request form hosted by Service Autopilot on your website. And your customers and leads can interact with that form and automate some processes in the Service Autopilot system, such as creating a to-do for somebody to get back with them to do that estimate, and creating them in general if they don't already exist in your database. So I hope that this helps you out. Like I said, there's a lot of things you can do with forms. I wanted to show you this specifically because this is the most commonly used item with our forms here. We'll be doing more videos on other things that you can do with these, but I hope this helped. Make sure to subscribe to the YouTube channel for more tutorials like this and more. Thanks for watching.